Okay, so we're back here for part 2. And in the next set of directions, write the inequality represented in the following graphs. So this time, they're going to give us the picture, they're giving us the number line, and they're asking us to write what the inequality would be. So in number 16, we're going to look at this. Our focus is where the graphing will start. And in this case, it's at positive 1. And notice that we graphed everything that's larger than 1, with 1 included as the solution, as part of the solution. So you can pick any variable you want. I'm going to use x. And in this case, all the x's are greater than or equal to positive 1. And that's it. That's all we have to do is write the inequality. There's the inequality. Now you may see there are different ways that you can write an inequality. This is probably the simplest way, but sometimes you may do what is called set notation. It's a longer way to write it, but it's more official, where we use a bracket for a set, and we say this is the set of x's slash x is greater than or equal to 1. And then we close the bracket there. That is the set of x's. The slash means such that, or so that, x is greater than or equal to 1. Now for us, for the most part, we're just going to use this. This is saying the same thing though. All right, let's do some examples here. 17, open circle at -2, and notice that we're shading to the left. So this would be x less than -2. Less than goes to the left. Now we don't put the equal to because it is an open circle that is not part of the solution. Okay, or the set notation, the set of x's such that x is less than -2. Go ahead and pause and do as many of these as you can, and then we'll see if we agree. All right, 18. At 3, we're graphing to the left. That's less than. X is less than or equal to positive 3. And again, that's the equal to because it's a closed circle, so we have to include that. That's part of the solution. 19, x is greater than 0. Now in number 20, notice that we have two values. We have -4, we have positive 2, and we're shading between. We're graphing between. So we can write this as -4. It's open, so it's less than x, and another open, less than positive 2. When you write this, you need to have the smaller number on the left. So we start with -4, we end with positive 2. We cannot go the other way. If I try to say 2 is less than x is less than -4, that's false. That's not what's happening there. So we always go from left to right. Now 21 is the same problem, except these are both closed. So we would say -4 less than or equal to x, less than or equal to 2. In 22, notice that we have the shading in both directions, to the left and then to the right. Now it's not between them, so we're going to write this. We'll take the first piece here. That would be x less than -4, or we're going to put the word or in between, and then x is greater than 2. So we write two inequalities here, and we put the word or in the middle of them. If we're writing as a set notation, we would say the set of x's such that x is less than -4 or x is greater than 2. Number 23, this is also an or problem. X is less than or equal to -4, or x is, that would be greater than 2. There's no equal to, so it's open at 2, but closed at -4. Now 24, the last couple here, they don't number the line as well. They give you, here's 10, here's 20. So to find this value, we have to figure out, first of all, how the line is being numbered. And it looks like it's going up by ones. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So that works. So 11, 12, this is 13. We need to know that. And now we can say the arrow is going to the right, shading to the right, x greater than 13. Now again, it's open because 13 is not part of the solution. Number 25, let's see, how is this being numbered? I'm guessing we go by twos. So negative 24, negative 22, because I'm going towards 0 here. Negative 20, negative 18, negative 16, yes, negative 14. Okay, so this would be negative 12, and this would be negative 10. So we're shading to the left. This is less than or equal to negative 10. X is less than or equal to negative 10. 26, we're shading between. This is 1 and 8, so we can say 1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 8. They're both closed, so I have to put the equal to part. 27, I'd say we're going by ones again. 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, yes. So this is 103. This is 108. Now we're shading opposite ways. This is an OR problem. So we'll say x less than 103 or x greater than 108. And then finally, the last problem here. Now this looks like we're going up by threes. Negative 3, 0, 3, 6, 9, 12. Yes, that's going to work. So this number is 9. We're shading left, which is less than. So we can say x is less than or equal to positive 9. And that is the end of the notes.